Hey guys. Okay, before I sing, I'm just letting you guys know now that I will be taking in song requests. So, yeah, let me see. Come on up. Yeah, I thought I was missing you. Okay, so I will be singing Bubbly by Kakia. Thank you. Sorry, I just missed something. I've been away for a while now. You got me feeling like a child now. 'Cause every time I see your bubbly face, I get the tinglies in a silly place. It starts on my toes and it crinkles my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. The rain is falling on my window pane, but we're hiding in a safer place. Undercover, staying dry and warm. Give me feelings that I adore. The start of my toes make me crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. But what am I gonna say when you make me feel this way? I just never starting my toes make me crinkle my nose. Wherever it goes, I always know that you make me smile. Please stay for a while now. Just take your time wherever you go. Dun 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 da da da. Boom ba ba da 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 da. I've been asleep for a while now. You tuck me in just like a child now. 'Cause every time you hold me in your arms, I'm comfortable enough to feel your warmth. It starts in my soul and I lose all control. When you kiss my nose, the feeling shows. You make me smile, baby, just take your time now, holding me tight. Wherever, wherever, wherever you go. Wherever, wherever, wherever you go. Okay, I hope you guys liked it, and yeah.